On today's Fixing Bugs and Stuff, we're going to talk about ball joint front shocks. Okay, so we're going to install front shocks on here, and people don't realize that there's a sleeve. This sleeve is supposed to come out because this shock does not fit onto here. This hole here is too small. So this sleeve has to come off. A lot of people, what they'll do is they'll take the shock and they'll start drilling a hole in this, and you shouldn't do that at all. This is set up to take the load, whatever shock it takes as well. So you're gonna have to take this sleeve off, and it's a pain. Throughout the years, it's all rusted and just rusted in. It's not gonna come out very easily. So I already sprayed it with penetrating oil to see if I can get it off. Nope, can't move it at all. So I'm going to show you a little trick how to get it out. Okay, here's the tools you're going to need. You're going to need a little bit of heat and a crayon. Doesn't matter what color it is. I'll show you what we do. First, we add the heat. When it's nice and hot, just add the crayon to it. See, the crayon melts right on. Let it sit for like 10 seconds. Now we can try it with the vice grips. Try to move it back and forth. See? Now it's starting to move. Nice. Very nice. Once that's done, we take an air hammer to it. There she goes. She comes right off. Careful, because it's still hot. So now you can put your shock right on there. All right? Thanks for watching.